Good morning, dear students. My name is Shashank Kumar Verma, and today I am going to discuss the third part of the chapter 1. So, yesterday we studied about the estimation. Now, one question I think come in your mind. Here I explain if there is 1, 2, 3, 4, then you will put 0, and if 6, 7, 8, 9, then you will put 10. It means you will increase 1. Then what about 5? So today I will explain about the concept of 5. You know that here if you write down 0, so here you will write down what? -1, -2, -3, and so on. And here if you will write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now presently you have to see only the positive integers. Matlab positive integer means the number which is written to the right hand side of the 0. Here you will start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here there is no use of this one, negative. So you will neglect this. You will see only the positive numbers. So what you will see here 5 is the here 5 is the middle number of from this part, yani 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 number is there, and here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 5 number means if you start from 1, so 5 is the middle part. Clear to everyone? Now, so 5 is the middle part. How? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number this side, and this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can say 5 is the middle number. So what is the result? You will always compare according to the 5. It means if there is a number like 56. So what yesterday I explained, if 6, 7, 8, 9, then you will increase 10. Here also this is proof that 5 is the middle number. So you will see if first number is greater than 5. Here first number is 6. This is greater than 5. So here you will write down what? 60. One simple example I want to give. If in a test you got 15.5 marks out of 20. So what teacher give you? Here 16 marks. How 16 marks? This is the result of estimation. Now another example, if you purchase anything whose cost is 299, then you give shopkeeper to 300, or also shopkeeper ask you for 300 rupees. Why this is? Because this is the result of estimation. Now today we will discuss about the estimation and rounding off to the nearest. Now our next topic is rounding off to the nearest. Now for this I will take one example. Let us write down a number 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 2. Okay, now you can estimate this number in many ways. The first way is you can write down this number 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 0. You can also write down this number by 3, 4. In first case, what you see 82. So in 82, 2 is less than 5. So you will not increase anything in 8. You will put 0 on the place of 2. Now in second, if you want to estimate this will become 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Now you will see 68. So in 68, 8 is greater than 5. So what you will write down, this will become 7, 0, 0. Now another what you can write down, 3, 4. Now you can see what, 56. So in 56, 6 is greater than 5. So we will increase 1. So this will become 6, 1, 2, 3, 0. Now again what you can write down, 3. Ab you will see 45. So in 45, 5 is equal or greater than 5. So also you will increase 1. So this will become 3, 5. Other one becomes 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the conclusion of this question? It means this is the round off to the nearest tens. Now you can say how nearest tens, because you can see the ones place becomes 0 now, and this one is round off to the, you can say, nearest 100, because ones and tens place become 0. You can write down nearest 100. Now this one is the what, nearest 1000. And this one is, you know that ones, tens, 100 and 1000 become 0. So this is the nearest 10,000. Now I think your concept is clear according to the round off. If you have to do the round off to the nearest tens, you will see the ones place. Nearest 100, then you will see the tens place. Nearest 1000, then you will see 100 place. Nearest 10,000, then you will see what? Nearest ones, tens, 100, 1000 place. Clear to everyone? Now I am going to give some example related to this question. Just say example, if 4, 5, 3, 2. So you have to round off to the first nearest tens. So for nearest tens, what you will see, the ones place. Here ones place is what? 2. So 2 is, you know that, less than 5. So what it will become? It will become 4, 5, 3, 0. Now the next is nearest hundred. Now in nearest 100, what you will see, tens place. So here tens place is 3. This is less than 5. So what you will write down, this will become 4, 5, 0, 0. Clear to everyone? In nearest 1000, you know that you will see the tens. Nearest 100, you will see what? Tens place, and tens place is less than 3, less than 5, sorry. So you will put the 0 on place of 3 and 2, and 5 and 4 become same. Now the next is, third one is nearest 1000. Now nearest 1000, for nearest 1000, what you will do, you will see the, for nearest 1000, what you will see the nearest 100, ones, tens, 100. Now on the 100 place there is 5. So what you will do, you will increase 1 in 4. This will become 5, 0, 0, 0. Now I think you all are clear about the basic concept of rounding off to the nearest tens, nearest hundred and nearest thousand. Also you will do the nearest 10,000. How? For nearest 10,000 you will see the nearest thousand. Clear to everyone? Now I am going to do some question based on this. So now I am going to do the some question on this topic. Just say first question is estimate the sum to the nearest tens. Okay, now if you have to solve 325, 622 plus 533. Now in this question what you have to do, you have to estimate the sum to the nearest tens. For nearest tens, what you know, for nearest tens you will see the ones place. Here ones place is 5. So what you will do, you will increase 2 by 1. This will become 3, 3, 0. Now in this what you will see the nearest one, you have to estimate to the nearest tens. So you will see the ones place is 2. So what you will do, you will put here 0. So this will become 6, 2, 0. Why 0? Because this is less than 5. Now in third number 3 is also less than 5 and this is ones place. So this will become 530. Now you will add 0, 0, 0. This will become 0. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8 and 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 3 14. Now this is your round off to the nearest tens. Now also you can do the question based on subtraction. Like for example, for this I am going to take another example. Example number 2. 729 minus 336. You have to estimate to the nearest tens. So what you will do, you will see the ones place. Ones place is here 9, here 6. So what, this will become 730 and this will become what, 340. Clear to everyone? Because here ones place is 9, so we will increase 2 by 1. Here ones place is 6, so we will increase 3 by 1. This will become 4. Now subtract this, 0 minus 0, this will become 0, 3 and 4. So you will carry 1, so 13 minus 4 become 9 and this will become 6 minus 3, 3. Clear to everyone? Now also you can perform this in multiplication. So our third example based on multiplication. 224 multiply by 38. So nearest 10 you have to see. So you will see the ones digit is 4, here ones digit is 8. So here what you will write down, 220, because you have to estimate to the nearest tens, and here what you will do, 40. Now multiply this, 4 2 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8 and here 2 0, so you will put 2 0. Clear to everyone? Now also you can apply in divide. So this is our fourth example. In divide what you will do, if here is 78 and you have to divide it by 23. So to the nearest 10 what you will see, the nearest ones, here 8, here 3. So here 8, it means you will increase 1, this will become 80. और divided by what? This will 3 है, this is 3 less than 5, so this will become 20. And you know that 80 divided by 20, the result is what? 4. So I think you are able to solve the question based on this. Now our next topic is Roman numeral. Our next topic is Roman